Just trying to get the right stance. Oh my gosh! I hate how narrow these tires are.
No, just a puddle.
Oh.
This is it, guys. We did it. We made it. We had a lot of roadblocks, a lot of trials that came up in order to get this truck finished in time for you. You know, like sandblasting, like assembling the bed, a bunch of last minute changes from Heavy D himself and Hands. I'm not gonna show it to you. I'm gonna tease you with the sound of the most beautiful sound in the world. Now let me take you on a journey of how we got here.
Here's the deal. We're test fitting the flatbed right now. And there's a lot of things that we're doing to get this to fit right. But right now, Iram's finished one of the stacks. We want to show you what this thing looks like because there's a lot of controversy over how this should look. Okay? What do we got, Iram? This thing looks awesome. Yeah. So where's this thing going? I kind of feel like Ralphie on the Christmas Story when his dad gets the lamp.
Yeah, statue. Ralphie?
Don't touch it. No. Okay, so that's done. You have one other to complete.
I gotta finish the other one, which is about 80% done.
Awesome.
And weld it to get it to the flatbed. And after that, we'll be ready to powder cut it. What do you think?
I don't know. I mean, we're going crinkle black on this, and just because it's connected, it seems like it should go crinkled black as well. But then when Cole's bringing in the fact that these usually have a different look, you know? Okay, do we go matte black with it? Will that contrast too much, or will that actually look really good?
I think it looks good, all the same color.
The biggest thing this is missing right now are the wheels and tires, because every time I look at this, even though it's looking awesome and more awesome and more awesome, I'm like, man, something's missing here. That's the wheels and tires. I think once that's on today, that is going to look incredible. Dude, that's gonna be comfy. This is taking shape, but this is going on the back seat.
Well, you can see it right here.
Oh yeah, right there.
Yeah, Caleb.
Thank you, Cole.
Big bad idiot. I had no idea that's what's underneath your cushion. Just a little wire and spring.
It's actually a heart.
You just what my people don't understand real quality.
It is awesome.
We're not skimping.
No, not at all. Not gonna lie, there's a lot of really cool things about this truck because everything's custom on it. I'm kind of excited this will be one of the last things that Sparks and Diesel will see. Like when you're looking on the outside of the truck, it's gonna be dope. And then when they open and see this, you'll be like, wait, what'd you guys do?
Alright. Too far. Sorry. That was a little too close. My favorite time of the day is here. Favorite part of the build is this part right here. Seeing the wheels and tires come back from the tire shop being mounted. Because that's like when everything starts coming together. So, oh yeah, okay.
200 pounds.
It's 200 pounds? Okay.
If you hurt your back right now, this is going to be embarrassing.
What are you doing, workman's comp? Holy, those are tall.
See, the truck needed this. This is ginormous.
That's what she said.
Is it going to be wide enough?
It actually looks, they did a great job.
Thank you.
Tell him Point S was the only one that could
Yep,
get done for
not
us.
wrong.
They're the only ones willing to even think about touching them.
Called Chris, who works the front desk and isn't supposed to be out in the shop, called him threatened him with his life if he didn't get us the first tire back within 30 minutes. I said all jokingly, obviously. 20 minutes later, he called me and said, I got your tire done. I went and did it myself. Big thanks to those guys.
It's just trying to get the right stance. Right now it's sitting a little low for how big those tires are, but it's close. And the other option is to run 38s. I hate how narrow these tires are. We have 38s, right?
No. On what?
I remember the original US 12 valve looked way better once we put it on 38s or 40s because the tires were wider.
Yeah. Coming at you, Doug.
Oh my gosh!
Aye, Douglas.
All right, guys, it's Friday, and we wanted this truck done Wednesday, but we got thrown a lot of different curveballs. We got the military tires in, we put them on the wheels. You guys saw the big fiasco with that. Once we got those on here, they're a bit too tall. They didn't look right. We didn't have enough space, all that stuff. So we needed to switch them out. They're huge. Look how wide those suckers look. And that fits this truck perfectly. But the other thing that we saw, and this was a last minute thing from Hans, and he's kind of notorious for that, but we won't do it unless it's a good idea. He said this bed needs rails. So we went to Iram, and we said, Iram, we hate saying this. We're already way past due, but we need some rails. He said, no problem, amigo, got it. He designed these things up in no time and got these put together, painted with the green inlay, and they're going to start cutting on this bed to insert this. That's going to be on this bed, make it look absolutely complete. Yeah, we're past the wire. We're past the down to the wire, but the best for you guys.
Like I said, the very last time that I will ever stand in front of a truck and tell you go to dieselpowergear.com to enter to win. Guys, there's nothing stock about the built Diesel 100. Everything is custom, and I'll even take you on a list of everything we've done. A Fusion bumper, SMCO grill, Alpha Rex headlights. Whoa! And check out these Raycor cube lights. Whoa! Nice. Cowl induction hood. I like it. 20-inch Black Rhino wheels wrapped in 40-inch tires. Woo! And would you look at that? Bushwhacker fender flares. Window visors. Muzzle brake smokestack. Yes! A 10-inch BDS lift. Ooh, that's big. Custom black and green leather seats. And a custom flatbed. That, ladies and gentlemen, is Built Diesel 100. The last giveaway truck Diesel Power Gear is ever gonna do. So go to dieselpower.com, get some gear, because anything you buy gets you entered to win, and win yourself the Built Diesel 100.